Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. This is our Vietnam morning time the drive, guys, drive time update. Hopefully you guys having a great day out there. Hopefully, you know, everything is pretty good, peachy keen. Hey, we're seeing a whole bunch of catalysts out there, and it looks like we're going to get some really good news coming soon. And remember, this video is not financial advice. It's just the OG in the house expressing an opinion. This video is for educational purposes only. And yeah, it's a great time to be alive. Looks like there's some rumors brewing, rumors spreading that we could be seeing ETF approval. We're going to jump into that. And I've got some evidence that kind of supports that, and that's coming directly from the SEC as well. And also, you know, we're seeing that right now the markets are looking pretty good, a little peachy keen. Looks like, you know, Bitcoin went up to 58,000 and it's come down a little bit. Remember, we got the CME futures that are going to expire on Friday, and it looks like a lot of people are taking long positions on that. So hopefully that doesn't create some kind of manipulation where we have, because a lot of those CME futures are set at a 58,000 is a price where people are looking at Bitcoin to go, and they're taking some long positions. So, you know, typically, you know, we're going to probably hit the max pain level of around about $56,000. So, you know, when that kind of happens, what you're going to see is that sometimes we get a little bit of manipulation going on, and then you're going to see some kind of like flash crashes that are happening. And when that happens, you know, it's going to drive the price down, but I wouldn't worry about it too much. So it's really a great time to be alive. And I'm just in front of my house now. I'm just wandering around. I took my mask off. My mask is actually in my pocket. So yeah, I just thought I'd go outside and show you guys around and get a view of, you know, where I record my videos. Luckily today the wind is not bad. The wind is really good today. Actually, there's no wind, so which is kind of surprisingly rare, because normally we get a lot of wind and this and that out there. So it's a really good time to be alive, guys. I love it, you love it, and yeah, it's a great time to be alive, guys. So, you know, I wouldn't worry about it too much. And it looks like Ethereum is also on fire right now. Ethereum is also looking pretty good, guys. So that's a really good time to be alive. So Ethereum is looking peachy keen right now, and you know, you guys can see I got the ocean right behind me. Right over there is the ocean, guys. Just over there is the ocean, just right behind me. So things are looking pretty good overall. Solana is also coming back as well. Polkadot's on fire, and Doge is set to explode. You know, it looks like we got some whale movements. Whales are buying into crypto right now. Well, not crypto, buying into Dogecoin right now. So that's really good. And we're seeing a lot of stuff happening. And so, you know, with that being said, guys, remember, this isn't financial advice. This is just the OG expressing opinion. So let's jump into the content right now. Let's get it. Let's jump into it. Without any further delay. Let's get it. All right, everyone, let's jump into the content without further delay. I just want to give a big shout out to people who have subscribed to the wife's channel: Jason, Shane, John, and Miram in the house. Thank you for subscribing to the Zen Music. I just appreciate it. And also, too, guys, don't forget to go down there and smash the likes and subscribe. I just want to say, you know, it's a real blessing to be here, to have this channel, to be able to, you know, come to you every day over the interwebs, over YouTube, and, you know, just bring this great message about crypto, bring the great message about spreading the good vibe and all the love that's out there. And, guys, remember, try to be more positive. Remember, live every day like it's your last, and make every second count, guys, because, you know, our time is very limited here. And just remember one other thing: this is not financial advice. It's just an OG expressing opinion, guys. And it's a great time to be alive. I'm really glad to be here with all of you. And you know, we got lots to talk about. We could, you know, the ETF could be coming soon, guys. I've got some evidence from SEC that proves that we could be seeing an ETF coming soon. But before we do that, we've got some new subscribers in the house. Just want to say hello to some new subscribers in the house. We got Theo, we got VidFocus, we got Clayton, we got Tibaru, we got Shortvid, we got Pierre, and we got Macau, and we got Aravind in the house, guys. So, guys, thank you. God bless you all for being part of this family. Thank you for being, you know, just here and watching day in and day out. And you know, I really appreciate all the support and everything that you guys are doing. I just want to say thank you so much. So this big Twitter just came out, and I really think this is mind blowing. And it just came out from SEC, and they're saying, before investing in a fund that holds Bitcoin futures contracts, make sure you carefully weigh the potential risks and benefits. Check our investor bulletin. So, you know, and we haven't seen this before. And, you know, we've got ARK Investments. They've just got their ticker symbol. We got the Valkyrie as well. They also just got their ticker symbol added. So this is really good news, really bullish news, guys. So could this be the evidence that we're looking for, the catalyst that we're looking for, that's going to prove that the ETF is going to be approved very soon for either ARK or Valkyrie, guys? So I really think that something really big is going to happen very soon. Also, the other stuff that I'm thinking about is, why has Tesla been so quiet? Why has Tesla been so quiet? We saw yesterday in the article that, Tesla's made more profit on their Bitcoin holdings than they did last year in terms of selling automobiles. So why is it that, Elon Musk and Tesla are not coming out with the announcement that they're going to accept Bitcoin for payment for Tesla cars? I think it's coming soon, guys. I think once we have this ETF announced, and I think pretty soon we're going to see Tesla announce that they're going to accept Bitcoin and Dogecoin for payment for Tesla cars. I really believe it's going to happen. I think it's going to happen, and something just tells me, all the bones in my body are itching right now that this is really going to happen. Some other news that's coming in right now, we can see that Bitcoin-related altcoin surges as Bitcoin ETF rumors spread across the sector. So hopefully this is not about, this is not going to be a situation buy the rumor, sell the news. But there's a lot of rumors spreading right now that this ETF could be coming, and it's imminent, guys. It could be imminent. So if that happens, it's going to be a huge catalyst, and that's going to send Bitcoin, to the moon, guys, and that is just going to propel us up past our $64,000 level, and that's going to take all the old coins with it. So I really believe that we're going to see an ETF coming out very shortly by the end of the month. I think early November we're going to see Tesla announce Bitcoin and Dogecoin for payment, and I think it's really coming, guys. I really do believe it's coming. It's just a matter of time, because why else would the SEC suddenly just tweet something like this out of the blue? Before investing in a fund that holds Bitcoin futures contracts, make sure you're careful about weighing the potential risks and benefits. Why would you say something like that when there's no Bitcoin futures, no Bitcoin ETFs out there? So this leads me to believe that this is the preliminary warning before they approve the ETF, guys. So this is really bullish news. Some other news that's coming out. You guys know that we all have the CME futures open interest hits an 8-month high greater than when Bitcoin price was at 65. So the last time we saw this level of open interest, and it's sitting around about 3.2 billion as of October 14th, and we have not seen these levels since February, guys. And remember, we have the open interest contracts expiring this Friday, and these are all long positions, and they're betting that Bitcoin is going to go to 58,000. The majority of them are set around about 58,000. So we could expect some volatility. We could expect that there could be some manipulation or a flash crash down below that to hit the maximum pain level to wipe out a lot of those long leverage positions, guys. So if that happens, we could see a quick spike down of Bitcoin, below 55,000, and then we're going to recover very fast. So I really wouldn't worry about that too much, because I think this, Bitcoin ETF is really fueling the rocket right now. And I think that we could see 60,000, 63,000 incoming very shortly. But also, Canada plans to supply residents heat using Bitcoin mining. So what they're going to do is they're going to take the outflow of the heat from the miners, recirculate it, and distribute it to office buildings and residences in Vancouver. So that's pretty bullish news, guys. So overall, we also got some other news. As you guys know, the Dogecoin has lost about 70% against Bitcoin during the months of the celebrity Doge endorsement. So it's not looking pretty good. We also have Mark Cuban, who's speaking very highly and very positive about Dogecoin. We also have Elon Musk out there, but Dogecoin is just being really lackluster. But in my opinion, I think that Doge is trading, and I call this a pure Doge. It's not really moving because of Elon Musk or Mark Cuban. It's moving on fundamentals, and I really believe that we've had this huge descending triangle since May, and I believe that we're going to break out, and we could see 1,000% upside, guys, very shortly. I think we could see, $1 to $3 incoming by December. So I really wouldn't panic. Yeah, on the surface it looks pretty bad, but it's not being, Dogecoin is not being fueled by hype right now. It's being fueled by fundamentals, and as we get more and more of these nodes happening, you're going to see that more utility, more adoption is going to come. And when we see Dogecoin and the Ethereum bridge coming out soon in the first quarter, you're going to see so many catalysts. You're going to see NFTs, you're going to see staking, you're going to see a ton of stuff that's going to be happening for Dogecoin. So it's just a matter of time. So you need to have diamond hands, dollar cost average, and don't panic, guys. Don't wet the bed. Don't be weak Nancy's out there. Remember, if you like this content, please go down there, smash the likes, and if you love the OG, also please go down and smash the likes. Remember, this content is not financial advice. You love it, I love it. Let's get it, guys. And some last piece of news before we jump into it is we've got to, Coinbase unveils its digital asset policy proposal to spark conversation around comprehensive crypto regulation. So basically, it looks like on Thursday, cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase published a digital asset policy proposal, a document offering both jurisdiction and conceptual framework. And what they're doing is they're hoping that the SEC will use this as a stepping stone to build their own framework so we can get regulatory clarity. So what do you guys think about Coinbase basically cooperating with the Fed, basically writing the policies for them? Is this a good thing or a bad thing? Smash a like. Please comment. I'd like to hear what you think, guys. But at least we got somebody out there who's creating some framework. And remember, Coinbase does have skin in the game in the crypto market, because if the crypto markets get overly regulated or banned, which, you know, Powell and SEC are saying they're not going to do that, but if they get overly regulated, it's going to hurt their business. So of course they're going to create policies and publish policies that are going to be, you know, positive and acceptable for all of us out there. So this is really bullish news, guys. So hopefully you're loving it like I'm loving it. So if you look at the fear and greed index right now, fear and greed index is slightly higher. It's at 71. It's really we're still a greed, guys. So this is still a good time to pick up. And dollar cost average. We're also seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is actually coming down right now. So if you look at the total dominance right now, it's actually coming down. It's at 44.68. It was, you know, ranging in you know, 45 over 45% in the last couple of days. And our volume is at 81.18 billion, and our total market cap is 2.43 billion. So it's looking okay, guys. So right now we can see the OG portfolio in the house. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. Our portfolio right now, we're sitting at 70.86%. So we're up 71%, guys. So this is mind-blowing. It's amazing, guys. And we're in profit, $3,578 in profit. And our total balance is $8,577. So this is pretty spectacular. This is pretty good, guys. Pretty good stuff. And let's jump into the markets right now. So you can see right now that Bitcoin is down 1%. It's at $57,742. But Ethereum is on fire right now. It's at 3,771, and that's up 3%. BNB is is at $465.95. That's slightly up right now. Solana is down. It's 148. So Solana is range bound, like I've said the past couple of days, and it's down almost 1%. Polkadot is at $40.19, and it's given up some of its profits that it's taken yesterday. And I think people have been taking some profits. It's down almost 2%. Doge is also down 2.63%, and that's at 22.9. SHIB is also down 10.62%, and it's at 26. And it's not looking too good for SHIB right now. And we're seeing that it's kind of mixed right now with the altcoins. Some are up, some are down. But overall, it's not too bad. I think that, you know, we're going to see more green throughout the rest of the day, guys. So I really wouldn't panic. So let's jump into TA right now. You can see that right now the total market cap is at 2.4 trillion. So that's not too bad, guys. We're getting closer to 2.5 trillion dollar market cap. And I think we're going to get there in the next couple of days, guys. So that's it's really looking pretty good right now for the market cap. And, you know, you can see that for the whole week right now, the market cap is you know, we're up right now, and we, you know, hit a high of 2.46. We hit a low of 2.37. So we're doing pretty good, you know, and that's not too shabby on the daily, right, guys? And I think that, you know, we're going to probably end up at 2.5 trillion by the end of this week. So that's looking pretty good. Let's jump into the Bitcoin price right now. So the Bitcoin price on the weekly right now, we're trading at 58,000. 529. So that's pretty good. We're getting very close to hitting the $60,000 mark. As you guys know, that you know, we have some resistance around this area that we keep hitting our head against, and we keep not being able to get above that. So this resistance level at 57.9 has now become support. So this is really good news. And then our next target is $60,000, guys. So I think that you know, $60,000 is just around the corner, guys. But just keep an eye on the fact that we got these CME futures that are going to close on Friday. So and these futures are all long positions. So a lot of people are betting that Bitcoin is going to go up. So hopefully we won't get some kind of you know, monster flash crash that will take us all the way back down to like $56,000, $55,000 area. It could happen. We could get a huge wick down, you know, like a 10% wick down, guys. So I really wouldn't panic about that. If we do get a 10% wick down, it'll just be temporary, and then we'll end up seeing ourselves going back up. But you know, this whole rumor about the ETF being approved, and this whole tweet from SEC, this is really bullish news, guys. And I really think that you know, this is really positive news, and that's why we're seeing that right now Bitcoin is surging. Right now it's up almost 1.51%. Taking a look at Dogecoin in the house right now, Dogecoin is trading at 23.16 right now, and Dogecoin is down right now. and you know, I really can't say why it's down right now. It's just acting very strange, very bizarre. I mean, I think a lot of it is because the Bitcoin dominance is still pretty high, and you know, we're seeing a lot more of the liquidity moving out of Bitcoin, out of altcoins and back into Bitcoin. So I think this is one of the reasons that we're seeing that Dogecoin is going down. Also, too, we've had a lot of large whale transactions that are happening right now with Dogecoin as well. A lot of buying and selling, and people are, you know, kind of making some money on quick day trading with Dogecoin. We're talking millions of dollars are changing hands. So this is also one of the reasons that we're seeing that Dogecoin is where it is right now. But it's still above the 23-cent support line. So overall, it's not too much of a Debbie Downer. So don't be weak Nancy's out there. Don't you know, wet the bed. Don't blow your load too early. Just have diamond hands. Be patient. And you know, as we see Bitcoin hitting all-time highs, we're going to see Dogecoin going higher and higher. So don't discount the Doge. Let's take a look at Shiba in the house. Shiba right now is trading at 26.57, and it's not looking good for the Shiba right now. And Shiba is down over 10%. I said that we'd be really range bound in this range. We're still staying in this range. Top side of you know, about 32, and a bottom side of around about 24 cents. So we just go down almost to the support level then, and then we bounce back up again. So just keep an eye on that. If we break below this, line of 24.93. then we could look at the next target for Shiba Inu. We could be seeing ourselves going way down, guys, and we could see our next support level is around about here at 2, guys. So you guys just want to keep an eye on that. If we do go past that, then our next support level for Shiba Inu is around about here technically. Where do I see Shiba Inu going? I mean, right now I would say it's probably 60-40, 60% that we're probably going to break down. We're probably going to break down in this direction and probably landing down here. This is 60-40. Then a 40% chance that we may end up breaking to the upside and you know, going to the top end of this channel. And hopefully by, you know, the end of October we could break through this channel. So that's where I really see it. Let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. Ethereum is absolutely on fire right now. Ethereum is at it's about to hit $33,800. So this is really bullish news. Ethereum is on a tear right now, exactly as I called it. I said that, you know, if we break out of this descending triangle and if we break past the 3,700 level, that would be very bullish, and then that would send Ethereum up to our next level at 4,000. So I think the next target for Ethereum is $4,000 incoming, so it's looking pretty good, guys. Also, let's take a look at the ADA in the house. ADA is doing exactly what I said. It's just going to be range bound in this channel, and this channel is between $2.15 and $2.34. So it's just going to be range bound. I don't think we're going to expect too much, and but I believe that we're still $3 is absolutely incoming. It's just a matter of time. So just keep an eye on that. And then Solana in the house as well. Solana is just kind of going sideways, and right now it's trading at 148, and it's also range bound between 155 and 140. So I believe that we're just going to see, you know, this kind of pattern being printed for the most of the following week. I think it's just going to go sideways. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. We got 2,626 followers on Twitter. You love it, I love it. And guys and gals, I just want to say God bless each and every one of you out there. It's a great time to be alive, and you made it to the end. You absolutely made it to the end. I just want to congratulate you and thank you all for coming and watching, and God bless each and every one of you. God bless my Crypto Daily Trade Signal family, my members, my moderators, and guys, you know, I'm really so happy to be part of this movement, to be part of this whole crypto revolution, guys. And you know, if you love this content like I love you guys, I really do appreciate it. God bless you, each and every one of you. Be well. Please go down there, show some love, smash the likes, guys. Subscribe, YB, and guys, make a comment. And with that being said, guys, don't forget to go down, check out my descriptions below. I've got become a Patreon member, buy the channel a coffee, become a channel member. Remember, all of this, the merchandise, the Patreons, the coffees, all goes to charity, guys. Check out my merchandise. We got hats, we got hoodies, we've got all sorts of stuff, and we've got the infamous Mugdy Mug. We got hats. We got even this. We got the beautiful hat here. We got the backpack. So guys, check it out, and don't forget to check out the wife's channel, Zen Music. Go over there and subscribe. I'll give you a shout out, guys. So just want to say God bless each and every one of you. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. I'll see you in the next one, guys. And it's just a privilege to be here. I love it, guys. God bless each and every one of you. Be well. Be safe. I'll see you in the next one, guys. God bless you all. See you later, guys. I love it. See ya. Bye.